Man is born to achieve life. There is nothing to achieve in life. He has to achieve life itself. It depends. He can even miss it. He can go on eating, sleeping, growing old, moving towards grave. He can do that. This is not life. It's a gradual death from cradle to grave. It's not authentic life. For an authentic life, you should know, to achieve life, you should know what life is. Is it growing up or growing old? It's not growing old, it's growing up. Growing up is moving every second towards the principles of life. When you move inwards towards principle, going deeper and deeper, you will know the immortality within you. It is like a tree. When the root, if it goes deeper and deeper, the shoots will be higher and higher. Meditation, going deeper, is towards eternity, going towards eternity. That is the primary thing in life. Everything else is secondary, because it is going towards the reality, going towards divinity, going towards reality. That is meditation. Child is the qualified. Actually, the child, the nature of the child is qualified for meditation. It is in meditation because child is unburdened with education, unburdened with culture, unburdened with the knowledge. You can't condemn child that he is ignorant. For that you should know the difference between ignorant person and the innocent person. There is a lot of difference. Both are not knowing state, but innocence is pure. Innocence is rich. Innocence is fulfilled. Innocence is content. It is knowledgeable. That is a child. But ignorant is poor. He wants to become knowledgeable. He wants to know. His path is a path of desire. Innocence is desireless state. Totally desireless state. Now, bringing, what is maturity? Bringing that innocence, reclaiming that innocence. Now, that is maturity. Maturity and innocence is one and the same. Matured person is innocent. This innocent is reclaimed innocence, regained innocence, recaptured innocence. This is maturity.